Hello viewers, how are you friends? I hope guys you all will be fine, doing well. So today in this video I'm gonna share you the most beautiful, so amazing and the very beautiful collection of leather dresses, leather outfits. As you can see guys, they are so pretty and so amazing and eye-catching colors, and the designs are also so beautiful. And you guys can wear these types of outfits for night outs and also for any event, as these are so trendy and so hot. So if you guys are new here at this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. Also please like and share my videos with your friends and on social media, and must tell me in the comment section if you like. Thanks for watching. Keep waiting and watching for my videos. Take care.